Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyagos here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about the market, guys, and of course we need to go right into Bitcoin, right? But before we do that, let's take a look at the market cap. So if you look at the market cap, guys, right now we're back at $363 billion, right? Now let's just take a look what happened today, right? Let's just compare to yesterday to today, right? So if we look at the monthly here, look at this, guys. We're trending back up, right? That's great to see. That's definitely great to see. So and especially you can see this in Bitcoin, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin itself. So look at the daily chart first, right? To see the bigger picture. Well, we see that we had a 5 waves up, and well, how much did we really retrace right now, guys? Because this right now is 0.5, right? So let's do a big Fibonacci here, all the way for the 5 waves, and you see we went almost to a 786, guys. 786 retracement. That is big, all right? So definitely something to think about there. So we're bouncing, as you can see. This is a great candle, right? Look also, guys, see what's important here, what I mean? Look at the volume, right? The volume is just talking to you. And the same thing happened here, back here, right? So we had here, well, here not so much. The volume came like really here, and here as well. You see, like after a drop, you get massive volume. Well, the same thing happens here, massive volume. So that's great to see. That tells me the bulls are back in action. So let's just take a look at what's going on right now. So where do I think this bounce could go to? Well, for that, we pick the top point here with a Fibonacci retracement, go to the bottom here, and you know, I just make a zone, right, for myself. So also together with this red line, obviously, in total, this bounce, and it could take days, weeks, whatever, right? It could bring us back to right about here. Right, and on the top point, you could actually be at the 786 as well. So, but obviously every fib level is important, right, guys? So 9,200 will be important to get to. Then, of course, it will be important to get to 11.2, and then we have the one up here, like the 12k around. So in between 12 to 14k, guys, that stands, right? That stands for me, and I think we will bounce back there. But perhaps first we just go to like about the 10k, make a double bottom, and then really have enough to go back up, right? Because what goes up also goes down, also for the short term, guys. So let's just zoom in a little bit. So let's take a look at the 12-hour here. Also, I can show you this, guys. So the 0.5, right, was at the 78.6 as you saw before. Now let's take a look at another thing we can look at, which is the fib extension, trend-based fib extension. We take this from point B to point 1 here, right, to point 2. Well, where did point 3 come to? About the 618 of this, right? And the 0.5 is a little lower than the 786 on this Fibonacci extension from just the first to the second wave. So am I calling this the bottom yet? Well, we're getting close, guys. Alright, this is definitely looking good. Alright, that's why I'm happy. And obviously I've been shorting Bitcoin a little bit as well on the downside of it, but you know, not too much, because I'm new to shorting, guys. Alright, I haven't shorted much, so I'm definitely getting the hang of that as well, in case we ever get to like these bear cycles again, right? I want to be able to make money both long and short. So and the thing is, I use BitMax for that to margin, because for shorting you need to go on margin, and it's a lot more dangerous, guys, than holding spot coins. So I definitely don't suggest you do it if you're a beginner. But if you've been trading for a while and you're kind of confident, you can try and short. Okay, so let's take a look, guys. So let's zoom in to the 6-hour here. It's looking good, right? Look at this stochastic RSI all the way up here. That's nice to see. 4 hour is soon gonna cross bearish, so I'm definitely going to short it a little bit, but that's definitely not gonna be the end. Okay, so 3 hour, it's also wanting to go down. 2 hour wants to go, well, 2 hour you can't really see much, right? It's been holding up though. Look at the 1 hour, guys. Look at this. Look how strong. This is strong, all right? And definitely if you would short this, guys, all right, so like I'm telling you, then watch out, all right? Take your profits, all right, when you can, because this can also just consolidate, all right, just go sideways, or what perhaps will happen is something like this, right? It might make some bullish flag. That's definitely possible, and that will be very bullish for bullish continuation. So look out for that, guys. Also soon, alright, I know this as a trader, some people react to these EMA lines. So when this crosses this one, oh, so many people will jump in, right? Even though this is 55 and 21, most people use 20 and 50, but that's fine. That will be even sooner, and as soon as that happens, people will jump in. They'll just go crazy. Yeah, they go crazy. So it's looking good, guys. All right, and if we just go even further zoomed in, 30-minute, it's looking good, right? I mean, this is just looking good. 15-minute, look at that. When this crossed, you see that? So people entered here on this red one when it crossed, basically. Well, are they up or are they down? They're up. They're 10% up. So obviously they had to experience some down there and then up again. But that is the strategy if you do it with the EMAs. That's an EMA cross, right? So a cross up, and you also got a cross down. You know, when it crossed down and stayed down, and then it's beautiful, guys. So the charts are looking good, right? Am I back bullish yet? Of course not. Alright, we're only somewhat bullish, but you can only be really bullish, guys, when you break the downtrend. Right? I'm not saying this big downtrend up here, okay? I mean that's ideal, but I mean something like this, right? Let me just draw a line. So if we get above 10.4 or something, I'm bullish. Alright, so let's just put this line, guys, and let's make it a different color. So let's make this a orange. Alright, so we first need to go through orange and then go through red. Alright, and this one obviously I can throw away right now, but we need to go through orange and then go through red, and that's basically our tour, guys. That's our way up. So, you know, I hope you guys, you know, enjoy these kind of videos and these updates that I give you guys on Bitcoin. So, you know, just also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other about charts, about trading, about anything crypto related, right? You saw me had Land Connect open before. Well, that's because we made a big flip in there, right? If you sold, you know, I'm not the one to promote people to go loan and shit, but there was some big landing room before, and people who went in these ICOs, they flipped 10x, 5x, and then some people say like, yeah, but some people, you know, it's not a good thing for crypto. Well, I understand that. However, where we can make money, we will, guys. So, you know, if it's possible to make money by a good flip, we do it, right? And I'll definitely keep you guys informed about that. So join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other, and, you know, just a good chat box to be in. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, all my analysis. I keep you guys up to date about new KYCs for ICOs, AML, etc. And just went to register for new ICOs, right? So join up with both Telegrams, guys. Both links will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.